Okay, so this is the before of the garage. Keep in mind, it's been 17 years. And it just got out of hand. That's a new refrigerator we just got. There's all the paint and stuff. I gotta get rid of all that over there. My bed I'm gonna keep. But this too, I'm gonna redo these too. Heavy. At the time that I said I wanted to do it a few years ago, I couldn't redo it because they didn't have anything that covers rust. All this stuff in these boxes, this is brand new outdoor furniture. It's a fridge. We got. It just came the other day. So we got to reposition this in the garage as well. And then this table right here, I bought this, I don't want to say, please don't say anything, but I bought this table probably about 6-7 years ago. Just been sitting in the garage. That wall guy came to cut it out because I had real bad electrical problems. So he just putted that. And they just got these chairs from a yard sale years ago and haven't done anything with it. Over there it's like a little red desk and those computer towers. Now that my son builds computers, we're going to go inside and take out the SD, not SD card, the memory card or the whatever it's called. We're going to take that out and get rid of those. And there are my lawnmowers I haven't used. They're self-propelled lawnmowers. That bed, I tell you, I was going to get rid of it at one time, a couple of times, and I just can't let go of it. You're not going to find furniture that heavy, so I'm going to redo that as well. All of this is new. In the corner, you can't see it. Those green containers is like a Christmas tree. Haven't put that up since the kids were small, so I'm going to get rid of that. And back in the day, I even remember when I was a kid, the very heavy duty tables, the wooden tables, I got 3 of those from this lady some time ago. So that's been holding that stuff up. And then over here, the old console, I liked it, so I got it from somebody. They was gonna get rid of it, so I just got it. It works. And this is an old motorcycle that Kobe had when he was like 4 or 5. He rode it probably 2 or 3 times. I have all the original new parts to it, and it's just sitting here. Malik had a go-kart, which I sold it back in the day when I had yard sales, when I used to do yard sales. But this table, as you can see, I started on it and didn't finish. I did gotta do something about these chairs. I want to show you this, but you can't really see it. This is a table that I redid years ago. I colored all the fruits in it, then it had a glass piece on top. It was so beautiful. I had this in my kitchen when I lived in these apartments. So I'm gonna put this on Facebook and see if somebody wants it, and you know, they can come get it if they do. But this desk, it belonged to a writer, and this desk is over 100 years old. And I remember seeing this on a Craigslist, and she was giving it away free some years ago. Probably been about 10 years or more. But it's just been sitting in my garage, so I'm going to redo that, take it in the house, and put my new computer on it once my son builds it. Okay, y'all, got everybody outside trying to clean out the garage. In my Sanford and Son days, I picked this up from a family. They didn't want it, and I had it for about 15 years. I'm gonna show you. They want me to get rid of it, but I'm not gonna get rid of it. Look, this is an old Magnavox. This works too. Look at that. They tripping. What the hell they thought I was gonna play some old folk music? Uh-oh. You never know. It's soon. Look at that, y'all. Give it a little TLC look. This is over 100 years old. I got this from this Catholic priest, this lady. She was holding it for me. She said this belonged to a writer somewhere from New York City. I'm gonna redo this and put this in the house so I can put my computer on it. No, that could be Abraham. I don't know. She said it's an old writer's desk. Whoever the person was, he was a famous writer. She said it's over 100 years old, and it came from either New York or Jersey, I think she said. So we're gonna pull this out. What we're trying to do is take everything out of here. I'm gonna have the whole entire garage repainted. And then we picked up the shelves that I showed you. Look at him. Now he over there trying to figure it out. I cut it off. Let me see. Okay, well, this is what I didn't show you. It still has the original cord to it. But back in my Sanford and Son days when I used to ride around, call on Craigslist, find stuff, and pick it up, resell it. I'm a hustler, y'all, okay? We're just gonna leave it at that. Son is a hustler. But all this works. It needs a needle, it's about all. Now, I ain't too familiar with this. If somebody can tell me what that is, I don't know. But this came from right here. I'm gonna put that back. I just blew it out. I'm gonna try to preserve this cord. Now I gotta do this side. You put your records down through this way. I'm gonna blow this out real good. But I like old stuff. They don't know the value of stuff. Now over here, I noticed that little end piece is missing. But other than that, shoo, y'all hit me up if y'all need an old retro for a movie. But it's gonna cost, I can tell you that now. We used to have something similar to this, but it was taller and it had like the disco lights on the side panel. If you know anything about that, leave some comments down below. Leave it down below. My daughter's saying I shouldn't do anything to this, so I want, you know, take away from the integrity of the oldness of it. She's gonna look it up, but I still want to at least clean it up if I decide to take it in the house. It looks like a writer's desk. It really does. I guess it had a key lock right there. Let me go get through. I got them helping me, because he will be here early in the morning to paint this whole entire garage.
Look.
Oh, yeah, that's what you're saying. This is a table I did years ago. This one's hard. It was all white and I colored piece by piece, but it chipped. It's chipped on the back side. And then I have a glass go on top of it, but
like 15 years old, it held up pretty good.
I mean, yeah, considering.
I was gonna put that.
Don't use that, because it's gonna make it chip even worse.
Look.
Hold on, I ain't got no good position.
Damn, just grab the two arms.
Alright, cool. Got it?
If somebody want it, come get it. I know it's chipped somewhere. It's chipped right now. Yeah, here go the piece. See? I'm breaking it up. But she can put it at. I thought it was bad. It's not bad. Yeah, this is a piece. Leave it right there.